Hi everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thank you for joining me today and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first Trace Jolie YouTube Hop. It is February 2025 and our theme for this YouTube Hop is going to be like whatever inspires you, just create something that inspires you and I'm really excited to see what everyone makes because, we all have different things that inspire us to create and craft, right? And so I'm really excited to see what everybody creates. So our host is Kim Hurd, who is the owner of Trace Jolie. And then we have Robbie, we have Denise, and we've got Dana, and we've got Ileana as our participants for this hop. I have all the links to their YouTube channel down below. And so you'll start off, if you started off with my channel, that's fine. Just go back up to the top. Like I said, all the links are in the description box and you'll go down one by one to everyone's channel and just show them some love and support and comment and subscribe to their channels. So thank you guys so much for being here. Today is the Saturday that we're going to be doing this, and then it will close for commenting on the 22nd. So you'll have all week long to comment and get your name into the drawings for prizes. I know some of us are giving away prizes, and I'm giving away a prize, and I know Kim is giving away a prize. I'm not sure about the other ladies, but you'll just have to go to their channel and find out if they are giving away a prize. So what inspires me? So what inspires me is I love birds. I love birdhouses, and I know that's so I like altering things, and birdhouses are one of my favorite things to alter and just design. And I've done a few of them in the past. I really love doing them. They're just, I don't know, they're just so you could just go any way with them, right? And so I decided to use this month's card kit to design a little something on this plain birdhouse that I had in my stash. Now, I think I got it from Joann's, but I'm not sure. So, but I might have got it over at Walmart, so I'm not quite sure because I know Walmart sells birdhouses as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this, and I'm going to paint this a really light pink. And so I'm just going to go ahead and grab my paint. And okay, so to start off, I went ahead and painted this pink. Now I chose a light pink because the colors in the cardstock are like a red and pink, and so I thought this would be a super cute pink little birdhouse. After I got done painting everything, I went ahead and cut out a couple of pieces of glittered red cardstock, and I cut them to the size of the roof, and I went ahead and added some tape to the back of each one. After I placed the tape on, I went ahead and just placed those on top. And I had a little bit of trouble placing them on because they just wanted to go wherever they wanted. And so I thought I'm going to put some glue on here to kind of help navigate where I want them. And so I went ahead and did that on each side and then pressed down and just burnished each side down really well. Now, I've done another one like this. It was a Christmas one. It was so pretty, and it was, I'll see if I can find the link and I'll put it up here for you guys and you can take a look at that one. It's one of my favorite ones. It's beautiful. But yeah, I love doing birdhouses, you guys. They're just so relaxing for me. Okay, next I went ahead and I cut the doilies in half. Now these doilies come in the card kit, and so I went ahead and I'm going to layer them like roof shingles. So I decided to go ahead and place them down on top of the roof, just like this, and then I'm going to butt that one up underneath it. And you're just going to need 3 of these. So each one just sliding right under the other one. So I went ahead and did that. And then you're going to cut the excess off. So you're going to do this on each side of the roof. Now you might have some little corners, a little bit of the paper showing underneath on each side, but that's okay. You know, don't worry about it. And then you're just going to go ahead and cut the sides off. And you're going to do this for each side. So I hope this brings some inspiration to you and you can try this out. Again, I just love doing birdhouses. I know I keep saying that, but I really, really do. And so on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go ahead and grab your little red doilies and you're going to slide them right under there. So, and I apologize today for being late with my video. I don't know what was going on yesterday. After my, well, all day really, I was nauseated, not feeling very good. And then when my little guy left, my little grandson, Daddy came and picked him up and took him home for the weekend. I just really did not feel good. Started getting a really bad headache. And so, yeah, so I apologize for being late today with today's hop. But I was trying the best I can to get everything done. So, so now I'm going to use this lace. I believe this lace comes in the scrapbook kit. Um, and if I'm wrong, it might be in the card kit. So yeah, either way, you'll get lace. So I think in one of the kits, I can't remember which one it came in. I'm sorry. And then so I just placed that on top of the roof. I thought a little bit of lace on top of there would be so pretty. And then I've got another surprise for you that we're gonna do. Now, one thing that I did is I grabbed my Lindsay Gang Glitz Spritz, and I am loving this stuff. I mean, it just makes everything so shiny. It's got like a gold tint to it, so it really makes it gold, like a golden color, and it is so pretty. So what I did is I went ahead and grabbed it and just sprayed it on top of the painted parts of the house, and then blew it dry. And it did leave some gold glitter or splats of glitter in different places. So here I went ahead and I grabbed one of the tags from the card kit and backed it up with some pink cardstock from the card kit. And I went ahead and placed it on top of the birdhouse and on the back side. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to place some of the little tulips that have some foam tape on the back, and we're going to go ahead and place those on there. So here I was trying different things to place up on top of, the underneath the tag, and I placed that little heart on top of the little hole there. And then, like I said, I was just trying different things, and then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and stick those little tulips back there. They're so cute, and I love these little tulips. Oh my gosh, they're so cute, and they're kind of a little tough to fussy cut out, you guys, but I did it. I was like, I gotta get these. These are so cute. And I knew the big one wasn't going to fit underneath there unless I cut it up. And I didn't really want to cut the bottom part up. So again, I went ahead and fussy cut out these little tulips, and they're so adorable. And so I went ahead and just stuck those on there. And then there you go. So pretty. And then I had an idea for these little envelopes, and I thought, how cute would it be to stick like a little heart inside of it, or like a little love note or something. And so I went ahead and stuck those in there, and I just thought that that was super cute. And I decided to go ahead and I'm going to place some other things inside of them, because I can go ahead and stick just some other stuff. Here I just went ahead and I left uh, like an opening so you could stick some things inside. So I was going to stick that little bear inside, but he didn't fit. So I thought, you know what, he will fit cute, really cute on the side there. So I went ahead and did that, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. I just absolutely love how this turned out. So as you see on my envelopes, I went ahead and put some foam tape on the back. Now the envelope is slit, so I went ahead and stuck some items inside, and yeah, so I think that these turned out really nice. And I hope that you guys are enjoying the hop, and I hope that you guys like what everybody made. I think we have some really good designers here on our Trace Jolie team, and I'm really excited about having them join us. So here I cut out some of the little words from the kit, and I went ahead and stuck that on the envelope there. And then here I wanted to use one of the birds, and so found this little bird here, fussy cut it out, and oh my gosh, you guys, it turned out super cute. I absolutely love how this turned out. And the front of this is really, really pretty. So I hope you guys like it. And, hope you guys try one yourself. So it's really fun, really cathartic, I guess is what I want to say. Um, so here I was trying out different things, what to put under there. And I liked the heart, but I just felt that it needed something more. So we'll do that, and I'll show you guys what I put up there in just a minute. Now these chipboard hearts are actually in the card kit, and I went ahead and used my red glitter to glitter them up, and then I set them aside and let them dry. They didn't take very long to dry, maybe 20 minutes or so, but yeah, they are super cute. So anyway, now we are on to the finish line, you guys. Okay, so I finished this little birdhouse, you guys, and it turned out super cute. I absolutely love how this turned out. And we put a little bear here, little envelope, and the little heart pops out and goes back in. And then I put some little words here. It says forever. I fussy cut out the word and the little flowers and then the little birds. How cute, the little lovebirds. I did pop up the flowers, so it kind of gives it like a 3D effect. And then here I went ahead and added the word sweetheart with some little flat back pearls around the opening, which is a heart, and then added the flat back pearls along the base of the roof and the base of the house. And then here I went ahead and added a love word with the little heart that pops out and then can go back in. And I just think that is super cute. And then here I fussy cut out these little tulips from this page here from the card kit, and then added the little tag with the little heart on top. I just love the shininess of the words and the hearts and some of the other little items that are on here. It's so cute. And then the chipboard hearts, I went ahead and covered with some red glitter from my stash. Absolutely love this glitter, you guys. You will love it too. And I went ahead and added the little doilies, the red doilies on top of the roof, right on top of the red cardstock, glitter cardstock that I used, and then added some little lace here. So cute, you guys. I absolutely love how this turned out. So, so cute. So I hope that you are having fun with today's hop. And y'all, don't forget, I have all of the links down below in my description box. And for my prize, I'll be giving away this super cute little sweetheart birdhouse along with some other little goodies that I have in store for you. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Take care, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.